Hey everyone, it's Michelle here and welcome to Mindful Monday. And so today's Monday happens to be the Monday before the Thanksgiving holiday here in the United States. And I'm sure that this Monday comes with some extra stress and extra feelings of overwhelmness and possibly frustration. You're worried about trying to get all of the work done that you need to get done in the short work week, and then all of the things that you have to do to prepare to celebrate the holiday with your loved ones, either on Thursday or over the holiday weekend. So I thought it might be really helpful to kind of go through a quick tip and trick that I use sometimes to help me in an anxious moment. And so this one I simply call just naming the anxiety or naming what you're aware of. It's really helpful sometimes when you can actually put a name or kind of just notice what's going on. So instead of getting caught up in whatever the thought is and identifying with that thought, if you can take a step back and actually notice the thought instead, kind of take that witness, that non-judging awareness witness seat, you can actually find like a little bit of space between you and the actual emotion that goes with the thought you're having. And you get to kind of choose in that moment, like, oh, how am I going to react to this? And sometimes just naming whatever is the thought or whatever you're feeling is really helpful to kind of separate and to kind of become that witness and join, kind of take that seat of the witness, if you will. So for example, you can say to yourself, I am aware of, and then insert whatever it is that you're aware of. And so if you're cooking and you're feeling very overwhelmed, instead of getting caught up in the feeling of cooking and feeling overwhelmed, you might just say, I am aware that I am overwhelmed right now. Or when family starts to come and maybe that one aunt or uncle that you don't necessarily love shows up and you wish that they hadn't, maybe you say, I am aware that I'm frustrated right now. Or I am aware that I'm anxious right now. Or I am aware that, and you insert whatever it is that you're aware of. It's really an interesting little tip and trick to do. It can really kind of just make just enough difference to be able to get through the day. So if you're having a frustrated day, or if you're having a frustrated moment or a frustrating week, then it might be helpful to just say, I am aware that I am overwhelmed with the things I have to get done this week. And just by stating it can make it a little bit more easily available to kind of digest. So I hope that's helpful, and it might be kind of fun too to try. I know when I practice this, it ends up actually kind of being a challenge for me. It's like, what can I be aware of right now? So that's it for today's Mindful Monday. If you'd like to learn more, you can go over to thepathtoserenity.com and watch the webinar that's out there and learn any additional tips and tricks I have for resources on that website. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next week. Thanks.